Hey everyone, welcome back to the League One football show. I'm just going to start off tonight's episode with the news that Darren Moore has left Doncaster to go to fellow rivals in Yorkshire. Has left to go to Sheffield Wednesday. Become the Owls' third permanent boss of the season. It says down here that they today have made the surprise appointment of Darren Moore as their new manager. And having spent 19 months in charge at the Keepmoat Stadium. So, big loss for Doncaster. I think he's a great manager, Darren Moore. I really like him, actually. Think he was a bit harshly treated at West Brom a while back. So, he's decided to go and give it a go at Sheffield Wednesday. So, let's see what happens there. So, let's have a look at tomorrow's fixtures, guys. So, my my game of the night tomorrow night has got to be the Oxford against Peterborough game, as Matty Taylor comes up against Clark Harris. Clark Harris is absolutely on fire at the moment, banging 2 goals in on most games. Is he going to start attracting the attention of a lot of championship sides, or is he just going to stick with Peterborough and try and see the championship with them? The way it's going, it's looking likely that Peterborough will go up this season and will get into the championship. And what with him and Sammy Schmodix, or Schmodix, is that how I say it, guys? Correct me if I'm wrong. If they can keep those two fit, I believe they can definitely compete for the championship and win the title this year in League One. So that's my game of the day, guys, for tomorrow night. I think I've got to say, yeah. So let's have a look at the weekend's results, guys. Here, bit of a 6-pointer down at the bottom of League One is Swindon beat Northampton. My team at the moment has to be Jimmy Floyd Hasselbank's Burton Albion. The way they're pulling away, for me, back at Christmas time, I thought Burton Albion were dead certs to get down to League Two. But they've actually come together well. They've started playing some football, and they're the informed side at the moment. So I think Burton Albion now have got a great chance of staying up, doing really well. Great game down at Plymouth. 7-goal thriller. 4-3 against Lincoln down at Home Park. Johnson Clark Harris again on the score sheet against Wigan 2-1. A draw at MK Dons against Oxford 1-1. Ipswich beating Doncaster in the Portman Road game. Fleetwood Accrington. Great result for Blackpool at Charlton this weekend, guys. Incredible. Would not have called that one. 3-0 win at the Valley for Blackpool. The Gas beating Shrewsbury 2-1. Joey Barton's first win in charge at Bristol Rovers there. Hull City winning 3-0 at Wimbledon. Sunderland beating Fleetwood 2-0. Some good results there. So let's have a look at tomorrow night's fixtures, guys, shall we? What have we got coming up tomorrow night then? Gillingham MK Dons. Wigan Charlton. Wasn't so long ago that Wigan Charlton was a Premier League fixture, that one. Wigan struggling at the depths of League One at the moment now. I tipped Charlton for a win up there. Accrington Stanley Ipswich. It's looking like a good game there. Possibly a draw. And real 6-pointer down at the bottom, guys, as well. Burton Albion against Bristol Rovers. Doncaster host Portsmouth. Hull Rochdale. Full fixture list, guys, in League One tomorrow night. Really, really good. Looking forward to a midweek League One fixtures, guys. So let me know who your club is, who your team is in League One. I'm going to be doing regular updates on this channel, guys, if I can get enough people interested in it. I don't feel there's enough League One coverage out there. I've had a look through, and there's not a great deal of League One coverage out there. So I thought, do a little YouTube channel for all of us League One fans, for our League One sides. So have a look at the league table. Peterborough absolutely flying at the moment. Lincoln are coming back from their non-league days. Hull City heading back to the Championship. Portsmouth, all the big boys are up there. Sunderland as well. Sunderland, probably too big a club to be down in League One, to be honest with you. Huge club. Great support. So probably a club that do deserve to be in the Championship. Really cracking stadium up there as well. The Stadium of Light. Do love the Stadium of Light. Can't wait to get back, guys, to the stadiums. If anything like me, you're missing it at the moment. Really chomping at the bit to try and get back to these grounds. I really can't wait. Down at the bottom at the moment. It's a real slugfest at the moment, guys, isn't it? It's not a lot separating it. Burton have pulled away recently. Wimbledon down there. Wigan. For me, Wigan should not be struggling at the wrong end of League One. Not so long ago, they were Premier League side as well. So that's how the table looks, guys, at the moment. I think at the moment my best strike partnership in the moment for me is I think I like Smodics and Clark Harris up front for Peterborough at the moment. Um, you know, Goal against Colchester here. Look, great little player. Do rate him. I do rate Sammy Smodics really highly. I think him and Clark Harris are going to take Peterborough to the Championship next season. Great finisher. Knows where that goal net is. Great close ball control as well. I think most of us would take this guy at our club, wouldn't we? Bit of a clanger there. What was that about? Bit of a gift. Yeah, a real fan of Sam Smodics. So there you go, guys. That's my at the moment that is my strike partnership. If I had to call one. So if you could subscribe to the channel, guys, and get more in depth as I go along with this, and hit the like button. And we deserve League One coverage as much as anyone else, don't we? We love our teams in League One. I'm really passionate about the League One scene. Genuine interest in it, guys. So thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, if you could support the channel, guys, and subscribe and hit the like button, that'd be great. And I'll be back with another video in the week after tomorrow night's fixtures, and we can talk some more League One action. And let's talk about your team in the comment section, guys. Let me know what's going on. All right, talk soon. Take it easy. Can't wait to get back to the terraces for a bit of banter. See you all in the ground soon, guys. Take it easy.